Welcome back to Syntax Lattice, where we learn, build, develop using only free resources. If you want to learn React in 2025 but don't want to waste money on courses or you're confused where to start, this video is for you. I learned React for zero using free platforms, and today I'm giving you my exact roadmap so you can do the same. No paid bootcamps, no complicated tutorials, just pure, structured, free learning that works. Let's begin. Step 1. Master JavaScript basics. First, before touching React, you need solid JavaScript foundations, otherwise React will feel impossible. Focus on these core topics. 1. Variables and data types. 2. Functions and arrow functions. 3. Arrays and objects. 4. DOM basics. 5. ES6 concepts like let, const, spread operator, template strings. 6. Async JavaScript, promises and fetch API. Free websites to learn these from. freeCodeCamp, the Odin project, MDN docs. Spend 1 to 2 weeks here if you're new. Trust me, this investment saves months later. Step 2. freeCodeCamp React course. Now start React with freeCodeCamp. This is where most beginners succeed because it's structured and hands-on. You learn 1. JSX basics. 2. Components. 3. Props. 4. State. 5. Event handling. Try to code along instead of watching passively. Time to complete. 7 to 10 days. Even if you already know React basics, do this once. It clears fundamentals. STEP, Official React Docs New Version. After freeCodeCamp, move to the official React Docs. The React team updated them. They are beginner-friendly, interactive, and practical. Focus sections. 1. Learn React. 2. Describing UI. 3. Adding interactivity. 4. Managing state. 5. Use state and use effect. Practice every example. Don't rush this. It's the core of React. Time required 1 week. Step 4. Scrimba React course. Next, use Scrimba. It's interactive, meaning you can pause and edit code right inside the lesson. It teaches you 1. Functional components. 2. Hooks. 3. State management. 4. Small real-world projects. It's beginner-friendly and feels fun, like learning React while playing with code. Time needed 1 to 2 weeks. Step 5. Build mini projects. Now, stop watching tutorials and start building. Begin with small projects. Counter app, to-do app, notes app, weather app using API, random quote generator. This phase is the most important because projects equals understanding plus confidence plus portfolio. Time needed 2 to 4 weeks. Tip: push every project to GitHub so that recruiters check activity. Step 6. Deployment. Once you finish projects, deploy them. Free hosting options. Vercel best for React. Netlify. GitHub pages. What this shows recruiters: you can build, you can deploy, you understand real-world workflow. Put all links in your GitHub and portfolio. Time breakdown. Here's a realistic timeline. JS fundamentals for 1 to 2 weeks. freeCodeCamp React for 1 week. React docs for 1 week. Scrimba for 1 to 2 weeks. Mini projects for 2 to 4 weeks. Total 6 to 9 weeks and zero spent. If you stay consistent, you will get results. That's exactly how I learned React for zero. If you follow the same roadmap and build consistently, you'll be ahead of 90% of beginners. Drop a comment saying React roadmap and I'll send you a free checklist version of this plan. If you're serious about becoming a full stack dev, subscribe to Syntax Lattice. I share free learning paths, daily shorts, and project ideas to get you job ready without paid courses. See you in the next video.